In this short tutorial, you will learn how to turn off the auto brightness feature on a Samsung device. Auto brightness is a setting that automatically adjusts the screen brightness based on the surrounding light conditions. While it can be convenient at times, it may not always be ideal. Luckily, Samsung provides an easy way to turn off this feature. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down a little bit and tap Display. To turn off the auto brightness feature on your Samsung device, simply toggle this switch next to the adaptive brightness option. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.